Meow, meow, meow. So I've sped this up a little. I'm just getting my preliminary sketch in there to start with. Just feeling out the shapes. Aiming for rhythm in this drawing. Getting those eye lines in. I find this so important. Aiming for that kind of questioning look, looking at that human that might be providing food. And now I'm going forward with getting just a suggestion of Kitty's markings. Simplified pattern. Please do join our Facebook group if you're truly passionate about drawing cats. You will find the link for that group in the description below, and you'll find some other handy links to other cat drawing resources. I erase minimally, but sometimes I see the need to erase. I used to spend a lot of time erasing and fixing things, and I've kind of learned ways to get it more correct the first time. And to leave that character, that perfectly imperfect drawing. Because the best drawings to me do look drawn, and they show that human aspect. They show how I found my way. There's a real beauty in that. I love the sketchy look. Purposefully unfinished look. Oh yes, and please do subscribe to the channel and help build our community. So hit subscribe, hit the little bell. I always like to get a nice little smirk in there on my kitties. Just kind of working on strengthening up the lines that are important and filling in that suggestion of markings. It's coming along. I might have carried it too far. I look back when I replay my videos and I see how my drawing looked before I finished it, and sometimes I really do like it better at an earlier stage. But it's all a learning process. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, hit the little bell so you get notified, and we will see you next time.